These are the awards provided by Google Search Console for the organic content performance on my website. As you can see, I achieved 35,000 visits per month and I'm working towards the next goal of 40,000 visits. In the last 16 months, my website has been shown 9 million times and has received 500,000 of clicks from Google. Search free traffic. I don't pay money for it. I need to spend a lot of money to get the same traffic with paid ads. To give you an idea, here is how much I spent on one click from paid ads. $1.43. Let's do the math so that you will understand why I need to invest in organic content marketing. To get 35,000 visitors to my website in the USA or UK market, I would need to spend $50,050 in paid ads. In this video, you will learn a new skill you can apply to your businesses and also offer to other companies and charge money for. I am Alexander, owner of a marketing agency and 7-figure e-commerce brand. I started learning content marketing many years ago. My first online blog generated millions of monthly views and I transferred all the skills I learned there to my e-commerce business. To get free traffic to your website that will grow over the years, you need to do a few things. First is keyword research. Keyword research related to your specific business will help you too. Number one, it helps to structure and describe website categories, which also helps to get more traffic and sales. Number two, it helps to understand in which direction to develop your product strategy and how many products to have. This also helps to increase traffic and sales. Number three, it will help you to understand the volume of content you need to produce to get results. Number four, it will help you to understand what resources are involved in the production. And number five, it will help you with content ideas. Let me show you how to do keyword research so that you can apply it to your case. Let's imagine you are selling furniture and need to understand how to structure your website and what content to produce. In this case, I highly recommend SEMrush. You have the link in the description of this video. If you want to support my channel, feel free to use it. I will receive a small commission. So let's imagine you're selling chairs. Now, in order to get a high volume of traffic to your e-commerce store, you need to follow the rule number one. The more categories and subcategories you have on your website, the better your chances of being discovered on Google search. The principle of keeping your website minimalist with a small menu and few categories will not help you to get traffic. Now let's do the keyword research. So your main category will be chairs. You can see that 40,000 people are searching for this specific keyword, and here you can also analyze other keywords that are related to your main keyword. And I would like my subcategory to be colorful chairs, and then I would like to have subcategory for colorful chairs. For example, black chairs, blue chairs, green chairs. Another subcategory for my main category, which is chairs, can be beanbag chairs, and then subcategory large beanbag chairs for adults, kids beanbag chair. And to make this video interactive, let me know in the comments what subcategories you can use for dining chairs and office chairs. Based on that keyword research, you can also understand what type of products have more demand and have a clear vision of product strategy. Now the next question is, what type of keywords I need to use for my blogs? As a business owner, you have to understand your customer intent and write your blogs accordingly. When it comes to blogs, you need to seek keywords that have an informational intent and are designed for users who want to read or learn something, such as best chair color, chair design ideas, the best wood for chairs, or types of chairs. Here, for example, on SEMrush, you can see the intent behind the keyword informational or commercial. Both commercial and informational keywords have the power to bring the traffic to your website and convert it into buyers. Commercial keywords are very important for website categories. Informational keywords are important for blogs and also vlogs. Once you have the keywords, then you can start on SEO optimization for categories, product pages, pictures, and blogs. The rule here is next. Your title and description must include the keyword and related words. For example, here my keyword is florist e-commerce advertising. If I copy this keyword and go to the Google, you will see that I'm here on the first Google page. I have a video about on SEO optimization on my YouTube channel. You will find the link in the description. Feel free to watch it. Another factor that helps my traffic grow over the years is social media activity and brand awareness effect. For example, I have advertised my website and posted on social media since 2016, and I have never paused these two activities. When people see our content on social media, a small percentage searches for my brand name on Google, which gives Google a signal that this website is good. People are searching, so let's rank it higher. I hope this video helps you to understand the basics behind my SEO and content strategy. Your likes, comments and shares on this video will help me to create more content like this. Thank you in advance.